How you doing? I'm Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, and today I'm going to walk you on our 2018 Galeon 485 HTS. As you can see, you have this large U-shaped seating area right here towards the stern. Hydraulic swim step with stairs. So when you actuate the swim platform down, those stairs automatically pop up and you can get a seamless transition right into the cockpit here. And as you saw at the beginning of the video, the door opens, window goes down with the touch of a button, and now you have a seamless and perfect integration for your guests outside and your guests inside here at the helm area. Again, this in here can be closed in, air conditioned. The sunroof I have opened up right now. So you go from a coupe style cruising yacht to an outdoor express cruiser in the sunshine. Today's beautiful 75 and sunny. We have the doors open, the sunroof open. Great place here to entertain with guests. Look at this, more seating here. You can essentially have all your friends and family right here, still socialize, talk with each other. You're not separated. On the starboard side, we have a little wet bar area with a sink, hot and cold fresh water, and you know, in a refrigerator here and storage on either side. Let's go in, I'll show you the accommodations downstairs. As we come down these stairs, I want you to take a look at just the intricacy here at the wood, the high gloss finish, the stainless steel hardware. Folks, this Galeon yacht is impeccable. It's beautiful. You've got to come take a look at it. This boat has 2 staterooms and 2 heads, as well as 3 televisions, another seating area here on the starboard side, another U-shaped seat, fold-out table, so you can have a nice dining experience here. Port side, really open, huge headroom, galley with a 2-burner stove, again another sink, microwave, and refrigeration right here. And just look at this high gloss finish. It's beautiful, beautiful woodwork. Let's go to the stern, and I'm going to show you the master stateroom. Full beam master. An oversized queen bed. Beautiful, beautiful woodwork again. Full beam windows on port and starboard. A little settee area here on the port side. A really, really luxurious accommodations. This is gorgeous. Comfort, ensuite head. Let me take a look at that for you, and we'll move on to the VIP suite. Peek your head in here, again with a separate shower. Nice, clean finish. Really elegant. And because as we look up, folks, I mean, look at all this natural light. Sunroofs everywhere. Beautiful windows. I mean, gorgeous. No claustrophobic feeling at all. Again, we have the guest stateroom up here and the guest head. Integrated shower with that. Nice, clean. And then your VIP suite here. Queen berth. Again, plenty of natural light. If you look up, look at these cross members, look at this wood. Really beautiful high gloss finish. And you have your kids up here or another couple. On this boat cruises comfortably with 2 couples. You have an extra berth out here in the salon area that could used as a sleeping area. But this is Justin Costello. I just wanted to give you a brief walkthrough. This is a brand new 2018 Galeon 485 HTS. It's a beautiful yacht. It's here at our store, and we would love to get you on board. Thanks again.